One, two. That's it. The average woman in Delhi is now having just one child. And of India ka average agar dekhoge, it's below 2. That means it is not able to replace itself. Elon Musk has broke this news on X very recently that India's birth rate is currently declining. It's below the replacement level. Wait. I'm not talking about childbirth here. We will talk about India's economy. ये आपका लाइफ में क्या इम्पैक्ट ला सकता है, हाउ इट कुड इम्पैक्ट द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया, हाउ इट कुड इम्पैक्ट द करेंट सिचुएशन ऑफ इंडिया. And by the end of the video, we will understand that what Elon Musk is not saying, what government is hiding from us. And people will mostly talk about the financial hardship is the reason, lifestyle changes, or maybe the woman progression, the career progression. That is the reason. But we will understand very interesting thing which is smartphone effect. क्या स्मार्टफोन हमारा लाइफ में कैसे इम्पैक्ट ला रहा है, we'll understand that. And by the end of the video, you will see that by 2060, India's population curve will come back again. But in that time, there is a new problem that will be coming. That will be around the aging population of India. We will also throw some light how AI and technology is going to save us in future. Let's do a deep dive, guys. ये वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. If you are new to our channel, please watch the video until the end. Let's understand what is currently happening. Let's understand the fact. Elon Musk has tweeted on X that first time India's population is declining. And it is correct. If you see the population in Delhi, it is 1.2. That means it's far below than Japan, Korea, and many other developed nations. And Elon Musk has already said that many parts where the educated people lives, it started declining long back. Now let us understand why it is happening. According to statistics, according to surveys, 38% of the families says that financial hardship is the reason. There are reasons like childcare costs, childcare education are the most prominent reason for that. The most of the Indian families are actually middle class families. Their income is stagnated, but the costs are going up. That means that they have to compromise in their decisions in the family planning. And that's what it's currently happening. Some surveys also says different thing. Let's say career priorities, one of the reason, lifestyle changes, delay in marriages. Those are some of the noticeable impact in the country. But here is a real twist that most of the people are missing out. It is called smartphone impact. Globally, if you see Europe, US, Australia, it has started long back. And this is called due to smartphone impact. The researchers had said that smartphone is one of the real cause of this. Because of the smartphone, society actually has changed. People started interacting to each other, had changed very differently. People do not socialize that much, and people start thinking smartphone as their companion. Around 2007-8, this problem started happening in Australia, US, and many parts of the Europe. That because of the smartphone, the population or the fertility rate started declining. According to Wharton professor, that knowledge work is going to be impacted lesser because of AI, but because of AI, the impact in the society will be much more in their lifestyle, in their fertility, in their overall economy due to the societal changes. It has already started, and this is the beginning of it. Around 2060, this fertility rate or this replacement rate will come back again. But then India's population would be around 1.72 billion. That's what the projection is. But around that time, there will be a different problem that India will have to face. And that problem is aging problem. So that means there will be fewer young people and larger number of elderly people. So there will be a huge gap in the construction work, in the heavy lifting work, where people would need the muscle. The military, the construction, medicine, the engineering, all those will be highly impacted. And who is going to solve that problem? That problem is going to be solved by AI and technology. So there is almost 49 million skill gap is currently in AI. 1% of Indians do not understand AI. If you are a parent, if you are into education, if you are into government, this is the right time of India to invest in AI, because AI is going to be most prominent technology across the world, because the world will also have the similar problem, and that's why the country like US, Europe, China have heavily invested into AI. We have already seen that Tata Electronics had already signed an MOU with ASML, the Dutch giant in the semiconductor history, and that is going to be the groundbreaking steps in the upcoming year ahead, because India is not stopping itself, because India has to grow. If India has to grow, it cannot grow in the software path only, it has to go in the semiconductor path also, because semiconductors are going to be the bed for AI and technology. That's what India is heading towards. If you are new to AI, if you are new to technology, on this channel we are creating videos for professionals. We are also creating videos for students, simplifying AI concepts, and as a society, how India is going to change in the upcoming years. That means the future of India, how it would look. So before we draw the final conclusion, let's subscribe this channel and let's comment below that would you bet on AI to reduce your work stress and have more children, or do you really think that AI is the real reason to make your family obsolete? Let's debate and let's comment below. If you are new to our channel, in this channel we are creating videos on Python, AI, machine learning and so on, simplifying AI for businesses, for professionals, for students and so on. If you want to know more, do subscribe this channel and stay tuned and keep watching India Learns AI. Thank you guys.